Okay, the marathon starts. 1 hour continuous pulse. Oh, hi.
What's up, doctor?
Rihan, powder. Chalk. Yeah. Not doing anything, man. Keep going ahead.
10.9. Skill issue.
Elbows up. Always remember, okay? Because referees will follow you. The shoulders need to be square.
नहीं तुम्हारा चलेगा.
Yeah. Good. 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 Good.
Grind. Keep climbing. That's your mistake. Your reach. Your reach. Ready, come now, speak. Climb.
He's kind of video fucking this high-fi, bro.
I'm not telling you.
Hey, bro.
Hey, I have the same shirt.
Hey.
Yeah. Same color, same materials, everything.
Sam, this is magnetic, bro. This thing.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Oh, shit.
See you. Come next week also.
Yeah. Going to do what you said last time. Cup and produce.
Keep doing the same thing.
You're doing right. Just keep working on it. See, there you climb. There you climb. See, you got it before you climb. Yeah, good.
Very good. You have long fingers, which is very, very beneficial for you. Okay? So utilize that. Yeah.
Get his knuckle. Cup his knuckle.
What are you able to?
You're in defensive hook now. Transition from there.
Do what?
Try your pronation. Yeah.
71. Take a rest. Next. Who is next?
Left hand.
Come on, left. It's a marathon, so no one is getting the table. Either you're going against me or you're standing in the side.
Left next. Sanjay.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, fuck, I can't see it.
I can now, fine.
Blood flow stops when it's back.
Oh!
Hello, sir. Tamil Nadu, sir.
Mr. Tamil Nadu.
Mr. Tamil
Robbins.
Rubens.
Rubens.
You always get his name wrong.
I'm Batman. No, sir.
Now do this thing. Marathon.
No.
Sir, today 3 hands.
Other hands are coming.
Wait.
Big guys coming.
Oh no.
Which guy? Steve. You. Shaggy.
Namaste, brother.
pitch, not losing it.
He's trying in the
You were taking the rising, you were dropping it.
He's doing marathon. Oh, he was. He's doing marathon. Everybody.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Come on.
Take this.
Cupping is loose.
I think it's this.
Come.
I think it'll play good.
Left. Ranjit के साथ जा रहा हूँ मैं.
Ranjit, we'll play PCA space.
Huh?
We'll play PCA.
I'll see because I want to lose weight, right? So during March ending, I'll be in like the.
It'll be heavy.
So I want to see. That time I'll only be focusing on cardio at that time. So if I put too much strain on my tendons at that time, then I'll not heal for coffee. I'll see, but who knows? Like last time, I can just show up
Yeah,
and.
you retired many times.
Yeah. Last time I was like, no, I'll not play BCI, and I came and played BCI.
You won.
Yeah, I got 3 medals.
Okay.
Oh,
Catch this.
Wow, very good. Come on, Faisal. He's become stronger, man. What the fuck? Wow. Too strong, too strong.
Caesar before you destroy
Letting me take that decision. No?
Come on, you know.
That's what I'm telling you, after the
Go.
center, you cannot take
Go.
it from there.
Don't lose your cup, Faisal.
fucking joke.
Why are you standing there, man? Fuck it. That's crazy. No, that was crazy.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Starting is okay. Now center. Ready, go. I had mistake over there.
Give him the, this
Yeah.
very strong.
I had mistake over there. Woo. Major threat in Karnataka.
It's a left carrying, yeah. There's no one. Please.
Marathon.
Either someone is stronger.
Marathon lunch.
They become mad and don't lose your pressure to hold. If you win your wrist,
के साथ.
Pumped. I'm pumped.
Now who wants to play?
Thumb is pumped.
Now left hand.
wait, I'll go left.
Right?
Ah.
No, left hand.
I won't.
What the fuck? And also my elbow
I
is.
think it was my right is gone. I did King's Move against you in the right. My right's gone. It was gone after that.
No, King's Move is very effective. If you get your cupping,
Exactly.
yeah, you get your cupping, it's over.
It's like he goes with this.
Yeah, it's good.
But when you come back, it'll be much harder.
Someone said no press. No press. The fuck is that? What is this? You see, this is side pressure. Okay. You are doing this.
That is side pressure.
No,
It's side press. It's
That's side press. Break.
Again, this is the first time I was
Good.
Last time when I played straight, I played 63, I was 55. Even national there was 56.
Yeah, hold, okay.
I played this.
Here you go. Come on, Reggie.
That's my friend's job.
He only doesn't know.
Right hand.
Wait,
Right hand.
Right hand.
Sometimes-
No, no, take us. I want to do complete marathon. I want to increase myself. Come on.
Yeah, recently it started.
Right hand and from.
Left will go. Let me a little bit recover. We'll go out.
I think they're focusing more on tricep push.
No, no, because like this fast. Give me a bit of respect.
So-
Okay, myself. Then you 8 ideas.
Full maintenance.
Hero since a decade. Hero since a decade.
Yeah.
You. Since a decade you're the hero. For me, 2 years. Then from 65 to 70. I'm 74, 28 now.
7, 8 years. Same.
I was.
170, 172, 70 plus.
Sir, don't come 75 or 70.
Hold like this, okay?
I was 47, 7 years back.
There, yes.
Just leave the
I was
rest.
13 years.
I can attack also. I don't know when I was watching. I know when I was 69.
That is when I started in 7 or 8 years. I used to do telescope.
69 was great. After that,
Good.
My first bulk was for 52 kg. And again I tried. From I think 3 years I'm around 55.
Go for it.
give me a bit of rest.
No shoulder for sure. Shoulder for
Oh. Take us, take us, take us.
That's the main thing I'm scared of.
Shoulder.
Is there that? Go for it. Take. Just keep there. Take
Don't
place.
hold thing tight. We leave it a bit loose.
Yeah. Here we go. Good.
Norman, you want me to take this?
Take rest, take rest.
Right hand. Come on. How the fuck is Devonar doing this for 1 hour, man? Fuck my life.
Pancakes.
Maple syrup.
Pancakes.
Maple
Where's the...
Stem cells, pancakes,
Conditioning.
And it's not so strong.
Top 3 are different level. Different level. I'd say top 2 is different level. We'll see this April. I'm very excited. Very, very
I
excited.
can only think about Michael not taking Michael in the list. I feel definitely.
I never want to make it in top 1. I don't want to see him top 1.
Why?
His top 1 is like this.
No, he's better as a top 3, top 1, that's it.
I think June he is pulling the.
See, I felt unfair because he beat beaten up Gennady and Zirnov. They're all top 7, top 8 athletes. And he got
He
shot
lost
at.
all. He lost to this.
Yeah, that's what.
He's putting Devon in June.
Raman, drive side. Even if you're losing everything with your provision, drive side. Elbow, move your elbow side. Elbow side. Take your elbow to the other side. Yes, 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 yes. Go into press if you have to from here. Fast. Nice.
Good. That was good.
Don't do it. नहीं भाई he's telling electrolyte is waste. It's not waste. It's fine, dude. This guy. Go drink electrolyte. I'm serious. जाओ भाई. एक जग मिलेगा तो सच्ची मजे में रहो. अरे भाई तो ब्लैक पीले का सच्ची बोलो. लको मंजे तो बैठे रहो.
वहाँ पैकेट होना बोर्ड होना
तो पैकेट ले लो. वो 22 रुपीस का पैकेट ले लो ग्रीन कलर का. पियो भाई.
Yes.
You have a film. It's already gone.
Come on. You go.
You were nice.
Dude, Rehan, he feels different.
He's left.
He's the first person to beat me in arm wrestling, you know? He has a video.
First coach.
He schooled me the first time. I was holding it this.
But you are much fatter.
Yeah, I know. I was about 87, I think.
Bro was a cutie.
You know, he gave his pronation videos and all. I thought he was very strong. I told him I took his wrist.
Oh, after 1 month, I
Yeah.
wonder who
But
was.
after some time. Because it was his first table.
Yeah.
And the table, how was the table?
Oh shit.
You know how I was honestly? I was sitting like this and I was.
It was very short.
It was here.
It was like registration this.
Yeah.
Come on.
Wow! What is this? This is a new move I'm actually finding out. Shit, this is a desperation move, you know? This is a desperation move. My usual game? I'll try my usual game. Oh, I can't. I can't try my usual game. Whoa. Oh!
Just
Come
go
on.
side, try side.
That's what.
Yes. Yeah, try to transition to this. Very effective.
Rehan beat me. The new 75 kg champion. Left hand. Left hand. Oh! After this, I'm done. I'm not doing anymore. No,
क्या भाई?
You just start disappearing.
Papa, someone stole Harsh's strap. He's asking in the group. I don't know why people do that.
Yeah. Somebody took strap from here also. This is
Really?
Rehan, you know.
I actually don't know who is
These two
that.
were here only. I kept in the reception.
Who was there?
I actually don't know who is that, but
You don't want to call out.
It's fine, bro. Call out. Bro, who cares?
actually.
Even Harsha was telling me also was very good in that. Last year,
Very
Harsha
good.
something that strap from
My back pressure is still alive on my left hand.
I'm coming, Ranjit.
I didn't expect that.
No, his left chop is. It does not happen on right, but on left.
I got coconuts. Chopping coconuts.
It's inside. That inside. Little more.
Yeah.
Little more.
You know what
Yes,
I do?
yes.
When I'm near, you know what I do? I usually go again back pressure. So going side pressure is no point. So pull again back pressure. The front is gone.
It's called the sauce.
Take a seat. Different.
I'll come.
Wait, Mama is waiting.
You're not doing left.
Let him get tired.
Alright, I'm fine with you.
Ashim,
Left and right.
should have got one more man. I would have paid you.
He's making a powder. What powder?
Oh, that cloth.
There's no flavor in it. So finish. I drank that since cabin was up here. It's raw vomit.
Yeah. It kills everything.
And this one.
Like
You don't have one.
Next I'll do.
What?
Next I'll do.
Go for it.
Traditional band name.
Yeah, after some one, my friend is paying for it. I don't want to enjoy myself.
Those are people who are like people like this, like full complete right. It's more.
Good.
So this weight holds you down.
I do.
It's like it moves the shoulders.
I think this Tuesday.
All shoulder.
This Tuesday I had to donate to the Zurich shops.
200 kilos of what? How do you get it? How do you get it up?
Come here.
200.
Donate it. But lift the shit. I had my max at deadlift 180. Phenomenal.
I don't, you know the last time I did it was like,
Shucks is very strong. Yeah.
Testosterone boost come on.
you don't have technique. He's doing it excellent.
Helping me once and we'll go.
And you want to see if you can take punch? What's the point?
I can.
Let's see.
What?
Let's see. On the face.
If I see any pressure,
Hit on the neck, right?
I don't feel the pressure.
Like,
It's sorry, bro. Yeah, it's completely gone.
someone go on.
No back pressure, no side pressure. Completely over.
Stairs
The hands
is getting closer.
are dead.
As the stairs are
It's
getting
not
closer.
tendons. Tendons are broken down completely. Take me 2 weeks to heal. Fuck. I'm myself for 24